guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm going to be opening and unboxing the Make It Mini happy hour capsules. I do have 4 balls here. So I am going to get these open and explore to see what our options are and exactly what we get for $6.99. If I got these at Target, and if you do use your Target credit card or a Target debit card, you do get a 5% discount. So there is that, and I've only been able to find these at Target for this price. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to open the first capsule up, and I'll just move this because we're going to be working on my little island that I made here. Let's see if I could do this and be graceful. No, I cannot. So here is the capsule here. All right, and you get this little tray. We have some glasses here. There are 4 bags to open here. And then of course we have read me first. There's some instructions. So we have some warnings here. Do not eat contents. Caution, very warm resin under UV exposure. And then it has instructions on how to make the item. So you make it, set it, pro tips, and then menu tips. So, and then they have other languages as well. Here is the collector's guide. And right off the bat, I actually love it. Like, they have a lot of different things. And at first I was like super excited because I saw this round tray right here and I was like, did I get the martinis? But I don't think I did. But either way, like, all of this stuff looks so much fun. Like, adorable. And then let's see. And there's the instructions on how to make your drinks. So 4 bags in 1 box. I'm gonna open the box first. And we get these glasses. They are plastic here. So it looks like I did get the Mai Tai based on the glasses and looking at everything. So let's make this drink. And we have here the bottle of Mai Tai resin. And you do get straws for your drinks here, along with some tongs that are rose gold to match the capsule. And here is the capsule topper. So you can you have an option to display. It comes with 2 capsule toppers because you can display your drinks. And then in this bag here we get the fruit. Oh, the fruit looks so cute. Oh, it's oranges and cherries inside. That is really cute. The last bag here, shake it up. This is on the bottom. Oh, the shake it up. Here, I get it. And we have some ice cubes, which are adorable. You put in the resin first, then you add the ice, then you add the, oh, I have to cut the lemon, so I'm gonna need scissors. And then I guess you just add a cherry. I'm gonna use my nail lamp because everyone knows I does, well, everyone doesn't know, but I do my own nails, so I already have nail lamps, and I use this mini one when I'm on the go, and I'm gonna use that to cure the resin for the drinks. So let's open this Mai Tai mix here. Just pour it in here. The cutest little, like the little clip that goes on bread. That's so cute. And the bag is already still sealed, so I need to cut some. Look at these little ice cubes. Aren't these adorable? And I'm going to use the straw to try to mix it. So I'm going to actually take the straw because we have to cure it with the straw inside. When you add the ice, it like fills up really quick. So let me do this one here so we can do everything kind of at the same time, because there's no point really for me to save the glass. I want the drinks. And I'm glad there's enough resin, because in my last lifestyle capsule, I did not have enough resin to make my candles, and I was a little annoyed by that. Thank goodness I got them on clearance. And I don't know if you noticed, Walmart and Target price matches. So if something goes on sale, I believe within a certain amount of days, you can go back to the store and they will price adjust it, because those lifestyle capsules actually went on clearance for $3. And of course, I did go back and get my discount. I'm not playing. Get a little bit more resin for this one. And of course, it tells you to sit this out in the sun to dry out all the resin, so you won't have any issues when you're done with the drinks. So I'm gonna just cut just a little bit right here and then add it to the glass. So let's just top these off with the cherries, and I'm going to add the other orange slice and then cure. And they are solid, they are not budging, and I absolutely love the happy hour capsules. I think these are adorable. So let's open another capsule. We get another tray, and oh, we got the martinis. Honestly, I thought the trays were going to be different, because in the collector's guide they look different to me. I was about to say we got a double and I was about to be upset, but no, we got the martinis or margaritas. Yeah, 2 margarita glasses. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, look, it comes with little coasters. That is adorable. Here it is with the coasters. This is so freaking cute. So of course we get the collector's guide per usual. I should put it right side up. The collector's guide. Warning instructions. We have four bags. So in the first bag we get, it says tiny twist. Oh, spicy salt. So to rim the glass. Okay, that makes sense. Here is some salt. And then here we have the spoon, another set of tongs, the capsule toppers. And then this bag, it says keep it chilled, and we have the resin. This is gonna be mango margarita, so that's what we're making today, a mango margarita. And the shake it up bags is, oh, a pitcher. Okay, I guess so you could stir it and then pour it in the glasses. This is the one we got today, the mango margarita here. So we're supposed to rim the glasses first, and add a little resin, and then some of the little mix, and then rim it, and then add mix that in the pitcher, and then scoop that in there. All right, simple enough. Let's see if I could do this. Look at these cute little glasses, adorable. The coasters, they're different. The color on these are different, and the M for MGA is like embossed, which is adorable. So yeah. I'm gonna put the spoon in the pitcher and then put these coasters here. So here are the drinks after they've been cured. Yeah, I am a little clumsy, so just be careful when dealing with the resin. And I want to get more because I really like this collection, but I think I'm going to try the school glue, the clear school glue, and washable markers and paint, because this resin play is just like, I'm super clumsy. And yeah, so I'm gonna open up another capsule here. So this time we did get the martini and glasses. That's exactly what I wanted. And yes, it does come with a tray. And the little tray stands, you can put them there because you can use the actual capsule as a display. So we do get, oh, and this one we only get 3 bags. Okay, that's different. Here are the coasters. So in this bag, let's see, we get, oh, the lime, the twist the limes. Okay. And then in this bag here, this is adorable. You get the little shaker so you can shake up the martini. I love that. This is so freaking cute. In the last bag we get, oh, I'm sorry, I missed a bag. It was 4 bags. Because here we get another spoon, the okay. the capsule toppers, tongs, and another spoon. And then here is the margarita. It's a cosmopolitan, but we're putting it, yeah, you put Cosmo in martini glasses. This is like one of my favorite drinks. So I don't think you need the instructions. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, but in the purposes of being thorough in my videos, because I feel like sometimes I'm not all that thorough. Yeah, so the instructions here, you're supposed to basically, I guess that's just for show. You just pour the resin in, cut the lime, and then put it on top and then cure it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here are the cosmopolitans. I could not get that lime on the side for nothing, so I just added them in the middle here, as you see, but I still like them. I think they're adorable. So here is the last capsule that I'm going to open today. All right. So basically we didn't get any doubles, which I really appreciate. So here we have this, and here is the tray. And so we got 3 bags, but it looks like it's 2 in 1 bag. So we got some little mini umbrellas and some more ice. I'm just going to use the ice from the previous because we didn't use it. So we have that. And then we actually have some lemon slices here. And then in this bag we have, oh, this is the resin, but it's in a cute little pineapple, blue Hawaiian, but it's in a plastic little pineapple. This is adorable. And this is gonna be our spoon and our topper and tongs. Right there. So we get these little glasses here. They're adorable. It has like a lot of detail in prints on the like real little sculpture prints in there. So we got the blue Hawaiian here. Oh, those are, I said they were lemon. These are pineapples. Oh my goodness. And basically you add the resin, the ice cubes, a straw, and yeah, the slices of pineapples. So yeah. So there you have it. Here are my beautiful drinks. I do intend on getting more capsules. I'm just going to use school glue. I absolutely love the process and love all the little details. I did a short where I purchased this item from AliExpress for 99 cents, which is basically $1. It is stationary and it doesn't move, but I think it's another alternative if you don't want to purchase the capsules. And I did get this wine along with 2 wine glasses that appear to have liquid in them from Temu. I will link the video in the description box in the cards. So that is another alternative. It's just under scale in comparison to the Make It Mini drinks. That's the only downfall. My favorite of the day is the Cosmopolitan in the martini glasses. It's my favorite, along with the little drink that you get, the little shaker. I think that is adorable. I love it so much. So if you did enjoy the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I thank each and every one of you for following me and coming along on this journey. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a super fantastic day.